Hello YouTube. Just making an updated video right now. I know you haven't heard from me in a while. Like I said, the plans are still a go for me to supercharge the Vulcan, but there's going to be a few things I need to get first part wise. So to hold the engine together with the extra boost. So tomorrow I'm going to be ordering some stuff, and as soon as they come in, I'll make an unboxing video, explain why I bought the parts that I did, and leave parts in the description so you'll know how to basically copy what I'm doing if you wanted to either turbocharge or supercharge your Vulcan and keep the engine together so you can use it every day. Until then, I'll let you go, and I'll see you next time.